Victor Tango Alpha Alpha X-ray, you're on an active airport, please contact London Heathrow ground on 121.7. Pushback approved, Golf Sierra Tango Bravo India. London Heathrow ground, Fast Eagle 69 Super, request taxi to gate 317 at the Terminal 3. London Hin. Taxiing to parking, Austrian 545 Heavy. Shandong 5155, taxi to runway 27 right, contact tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 27 right, Shandong 5155.
London Heathrow ground, Victor Tango Alpha Alpha X-ray, ready for pushback.
Victor Tango Alpha Alpha X-ray, pushback approved, expect runway 27 right.
Pushback approved, Victor Tango Alpha Alpha X-ray.
London Heathrow ground, DHL 28, request taxi to parking. DHL 28, taxi to parking, at your discretion. Thank you, good day, Austrian 545 Heavy. Taxiing to parking, DHL 28.
London Heathrow ground, Victor Tango Alpha Alpha X-ray, ready for pushback, requesting runway 27 left.
Victor Tango Alpha Alpha X-ray, pushback approved, expect runway 27 left.
Pushback approved, Victor Tango Alpha Alpha X-ray.
Pushback approved, FedEx 903 Heavy.
Pushback approved, Hainan 487 Heavy. London Heathrow ground. Number 2, cleared to land, runway 27 left, Ukraine International 1983 Heavy. Speedbird 637 Super, disregard last message. London Heathrow Tower, Shandong 5155, ready for departure at runway 27 right, departing east. London Heathrow inbound for landing.
Wilco, Tango Charlie Echo Mike India. London Heathrow Tower, Tango Charlie Echo Mike India, ready for departure at runway 9 right, remaining in the pattern.
London Heathrow Tower, Air India 318 is 2 nautical miles to the southeast at 1,500 feet, inbound for landing, requesting runway 27 right. London Heathrow Tower, Turkish 1933 Super, ready for departure at runway 27 right, departing straight out. London Heathrow Tower, November 441 Sierra Whiskey Heavy is 22 nautical miles to the east of 5,000 feet, inbound for landing. Emirates 737 Super, go around, make right traffic runway 27 right. Shandong 5155, line up and wait runway 27 right. London Heathrow Tower, Yankee Romeo Quebec Whiskey Echo, inbound, line up and wait runway 27 right, Shandong 5155.
London Heathrow Ground, Victor Tango Alpha Alpha X-Ray, ready to taxi.
Victor Tango Alpha Alpha X-Ray, taxi to runway 27 left, contact tower when ready.
Taxiing to runway 27 left, Victor Tango Alpha Alpha X-Ray.
London Heathrow Ground, Victor Tango Victor India November Super, ready for pushback, requesting runway 27 left. London Heathrow Ground. Spirit Wings 162. Pushback approved, November 380 Yankee Sierra. Charlie 6 Delta Echo Lima, taxiing to runway 27 left, Charlie 6 Delta Echo Lima flight of 10. Singapore 987, taxi to parking, at your discretion. Taxiing to parking, Singapore 987. London Heathrow Ground, Spirit Wings 1620, ready for pushback, requesting runway 27 left. London Heathrow Ground, Emirates 737 Super, request taxi to parking. Spirit Wings 1620, avoid sending duplicate messages. Emirates 737 Super, taxi to parking, at your discretion. Ready. Spirit Wings 1620, pushback approved, expect runway 27 left. Taxiing to runway 27 left, Golf Sierra Tango Bravo India. Pushback approved, Spirit Wings 1620. Taxiing to runway 27 left, Victor Tango Victor India November Super. Victor Tango Victor India November Super, contact London Heathrow Tower on 118.5. Contacting London Heathrow Tower on 118.5, Victor Tango Victor India November Super. London Heathrow Ground, London Heathrow Ground, Yankee Romeo Quebec Whiskey Echo, request taxi to parking. London Heathrow Ground, Singapore 100 Heavy, ready to taxi to runway 27 left. Yankee Romeo Quebec Whiskey Echo, taxi to parking, at your discretion. Taxiing to parking, Yankee Romeo Quebec Whiskey Echo. Singapore 100 Heavy, hold position.
London Heathrow Tower, Victor Tango Alpha Alpha X-Ray, ready for departure at runway 27 left, remaining in the pattern.
Number 2, cleared to land, runway 27 left, Ukraine International 1983 Heavy. Golf Sierra Tango Bravo India, wind 220 at 12, runway 27 left, cleared for takeoff. Cleared for takeoff, runway 27 left, Golf Sierra Tango Bravo India. Zulu Alpha Juliet Juliet Papa Heavy, go around, make left traffic runway 27 left. Going around, make left traffic runway 27 left, Zulu Alpha Juliet Juliet Papa Heavy. London Heathrow Tower, Spirit Wings 1620, ready for departure in sequence at runway 27 left, departing straight out.
Stand by, Victor Tango Alpha Alpha X-ray.
Ukraine International 1983 Heavy, go around, make right traffic runway 27 left. Going around, make right traffic runway 27 left, Ukraine International 1983 Heavy. Air India 318, number 1, runway 27 left, cleared to land. Number 1, cleared to land, runway 27 left, Air India 318. Tower, Juliet Alpha 2501 Heavy, ready for departure in sequence at runway 27 right, departing straight out. Juliet Alpha 2501 Heavy, wind 220 at 12, runway 27.
London Heathrow Tower, Victor Tango Alpha Alpha X-ray, ready for departure at runway 27 left, remaining in the pattern.
Lufthansa 401 Super, you're in an active airspace, please contact London Heathrow Tower on 118.5. Victor Tango Alpha Alpha X-ray, hold short of runway 27 left. London Heathrow Tower, Lufthansa 401 Super, inbound on the ILS runway 27 right.
Holding short runway 27 left, Victor Tango Alpha Alpha X-ray.
401 Super, number 1, runway 27 right, cleared to land. Number 1, cleared to land, runway 27 right, Lufthansa 401 Super. London Heathrow Tower, Spirit Wings 1620, ready for debut 7 left, Air India 318. Thank you, Air India 3. Sierra Papa Ray, line up and wait runway 27 left. Going around.
Line up and wait runway 27 left, Victor Tango Alpha Alpha X-ray.
Lufthansa 401 Super, number 1, runway 27 right, clear to land. Holding short runway 27 left, Sierra Papa India Zulu Yankee. Number 1, clear to land, runway 27 right, Lufthansa 401 Super. Speedbird 998 Heavy, roger, make right traffic runway 27 right. Spirit Wings 1620, wind 320 at 12, runway 27 left, cleared for takeoff. Roger, Speedbird 998 Heavy. Cleared for takeoff, runway 27 left, Spirit Wings 1620. London Heathrow Tower, Singapore 100 Heavy, ready for departure in sequence at runway 27 left, remaining in the pattern. London Heathrow Tower, Air Junior 5735 Super, inbound on the ILS runway 27 left. Runway 27 right. Victor Tango Alpha Alpha X-ray, wind 220 at 12, runway 27 left, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 27 left, Victor Tango Alpha Alpha X-ray.
Air Junior 5735 Super, you're in an active airspace, please contact London Heathrow Tower on 118.5. London Heathrow Tower, Air Junior 5735 Super, inbound on the ILS runway 27 left. Air Junior 5735 Super, number 1, runway 27 left, cleared for the option. Number 1, cleared for the option, runway 27 left, Air Junior 5735 Super. November 380 Yankee Sierra, wind 220 at 12, runway 27 left, cleared for takeoff. Thank you, good day, Singapore 100 Heavy. London Heathrow Tower, Qatari 350, ready for departure at runway 27 left, departing east. Cleared for takeoff, runway 27 left, November 380 Yankee Sierra. London Heathrow Tower, Victor Hotel Charlie Charlie Delta, ready for departure at runway 27 left, departing straight out. Qatari 350, hold short of runway 27 left. Night 216, is on left base runway 27 right. Holding short runway 27 left, Qatari 350. Night 216, roger.
Thank you, good day, Victor Tango Alpha Alpha X-ray.
Night 216, number 1, runway 27 right, cleared to land. Number 1, cleared to land, runway 27 right, Night 216. Air Junior 5735 Super, number 1, runway 27 left, cleared to land. Charlie 6 Delta. Nico, Qatari 350. London Heathrow Tower, Delta 321 Super, ready for departure at runway 27 left, departing straight out. London Heathrow Tower, Qatari 350, ready for departure at runway 27 left, departing east. Delta 321 Super, hold short of runway 27 left. Holding short runway 27 left, Delta 321 Super. London Heathrow Tower, Victor Hotel Charlie Charlie Delta, ready for departure at runway 27 left, departing straight out. Victor Hotel Charlie Charlie Delta, hold short of runway 27 left. Holding short runway 27 left, Victor Hotel Charlie Charlie Delta. Delta 321 Super, line up and wait runway 27 left. Victor Hotel Charlie, line up and wait runway 27 left, Delta 321 Super. Tango Charlie Tango Alpha Bravo Heavy, request frequency change.
Tango Charlie Tango Alpha Bravo Heavy, contact London Heathrow Tower on 118.5.
Contacting London Heathrow Tower on 118.5.
Victor Tango Alpha Alpha X-ray is 4 nautical miles northeast of Blackbush at 15,400 feet, requesting flight following to Paris Charles. Victor Tango Alpha Alpha X-ray, proceed on course to Paris Charles. Proceed on course, Victor Tango Alpha Alpha X-ray. Swift 019, descend and maintain 3000.
Descend and maintain 3000, Swiss 019.
Lufthansa 777 Heavy, you're in an active airspace, please contact Heathrow Director on 120.4. Swiss 019, reduce speed to 200 knots.
Reduce speed to 200 knots, Swiss.
Victor Tango Alpha Alpha X-ray is 9 nautical miles southeast of Biggin Hill at 20,000 feet, requesting visual approach any runway at London Heathrow. Swiss 019, descend and maintain 3000, maintain 3000 until a Victor Tango Alpha Alpha X-ray, expect vectors for the visual approach runway 27 left at London Heathrow. Roger, Victor Tango Alpha Alpha X-ray. Victor Tango Alpha Alpha X-ray, descend and maintain 7000. Descend and maintain 7000, Victor Tango Alpha Alpha X-ray. Quantum 540 Super, turn right heading 180, descend and maintain 3000.
Unable, Quantum 540 Super.
Victor Tango Alpha Alpha X-ray, turn left heading 350. Turn left heading 350, Victor Tango Alpha Alpha X-ray.
Swiss 019, request frequency change.
Quantum 540 Super, reduce speed to 210 knots.
Reduce speed to 210 knots, Quantum 540 Super.
Swiss 019, contact London Heathrow Tower on 118.5.
Contacting London Heathrow Tower on 118.5, Swiss 019.
Quantum 540 Super, thank you.
Thank you, good day, Quantum 540 Super.
Victor Tango Alpha Alpha X-ray, turn left heading 280, descend and maintain 3000. Turn left heading 280, descend and maintain 3000, Victor Tango Alpha Alpha X-ray. Quantum 540 Super, maintain 170 knots until 5-mile final.
Maintain 170 knots until 5-mile final, Quantum 540 Super.
Lufthansa 777 Heavy, descend and maintain 3000, cleared GPS runway 27 left approach.
Descend and maintain 3000, cleared GPS runway 27 left, Lufthansa 777 Heavy.
260, descend and maintain 3000, cleared visual approach runway 27 left. turn left heading 260, descend and maintain 3000, cleared visual runway 27 left, Victor Tango Alpha Alpha X-ray. Zulu Alpha Juliet Juliet Papa Heavy, turn left heading 170.
Turn left heading 170, Zulu Alpha Juliet Juliet Papa Heavy. Hour on 118.5, Quantum 540 Super.
Golf Mike Alpha November, contact London Centre on 127.0. Dynasty 46, turn left heading 090.
Turn left heading 090, Dynasty 46. Contacting London Centre on 127.0, Golf Mike Alpha November. November 441 Sierra Whiskey Heavy is 9 nautical miles northeast of London Southend at 24,100 feet, requesting GPS approach runway 27 right at London Heathrow.
November 441 Sierra Whiskey Heavy, expect vectors for the GPS approach runway 27 right at London Heathrow.
Roger, November 441 Sierra Whiskey Heavy.
Victor Tango Alpha Alpha X-ray, report air. Wilco, Victor Tango Alpha Alpha X-ray. Dynasty 46, descend and maintain 3000.
Descend and maintain 3000, Dynasty 46.
Virgin 1123, you're in an active airspace, please contact Heathrow Director on 120.4.
Virgin 1123 is 6 nautical miles west of Rochester at 2,200 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 27 left at London Heathrow.
Victor Tango Mike Oscar Romeo, you're in an active airspace, please contact Heathrow Director on 120.4. Virgin 1123, expect vectors for the ILS approach runway 27 left at London Heathrow. Delta 20, descend and maintain 3000.
November 328 Sierra Kilo is 2 nautical miles south of Biggin Hill at 16,500 feet, requesting radar vectors to London Heathrow. Descend and maintain 3000, Delta 20.
November 328 Sierra Kilo, turn right heading 020.
Roger, Virgin 1123. Heathrow Director, Virgin 1123, with you at 2000.
Virgin 1123, radar contact.
Airport in sight, Virgin 1123.
November 328 Sierra Kilo, turn right heading 040. November 328 Sierra Kilo, make a left 360.
Turn right heading 040. Tango
London Heathrow Tower, Victor Tango Alpha Alpha X-ray is 13 nautical miles to the east at 800 feet, inbound for landing.
Victor Tango Alpha Alpha X-ray, number 2.
Number 2, cleared to land, runway 27 right, Victor Tango Alpha Alpha X-ray.
500.
London Heathrow Tower, November 328 Sierra Kilo is 14 nautical miles to the east at 10,800 feet, inbound for landing, requesting runway 27 right.
500.
Tango Charlie Charlie November Romeo, request frequency change. Cleared for take.
100 feet, inbound for landing, requesting runway 27.
Victor Tango Alpha Alpha X-ray, go around, make right traffic runway 27 right.
Tango Charlie Charlie November Romeo, request frequency change.
London Heathrow Tower, Victor Tango Alpha Alpha X-ray is 7 nautical miles to the east at 900 feet, inbound for landing.
Tango Charlie Charlie November Romeo, request frequency change.
Victor Tango Alpha Alpha X-ray, go around, make right traffic runway 27 right.
Tango Charlie Charlie November Romeo, request frequency change.
November 328 Sierra Kilo, go around.
I'm sorry, Victor Tango Alpha Alpha X-ray.
Tango Charlie Charlie November Romeo, request frequency change. Tango Charlie Charlie November Romeo, request frequency change. Tango Charlie Charlie November Romeo, request frequency change.
Air France 106, contact London Heathrow ground on 121.7.
London Heathrow Tower, Virgin 1123 is 16 nautical miles to the east at 2,000 feet, inbound for landing, requesting runway 27 left.
Royal Air Maroc 1, wind 220 at 12, runway 27 right, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 27.
Victor Tango Alpha Alpha X-ray, go around, make right traffic runway 27 right. November 328 Sierra Kilo, go around, make.
I'm sorry, Victor Tango Alpha Alpha X-ray.
Victor 8 November November 3 Super, Roger. Victor 8 November November 3 Super, number 2, runway 27 left, cleared to land.
London Heathrow Tower, Victor Tango Mike Oscar Romeo, inbound on the ILS for touch and go runway 27 left.
Victor Tango Mike Oscar Romeo, number 1, runway 27 left, cleared to land. Number 2, cleared to land, runway 27 left, Victor 8 November November 3 Super. Victor Tango Mike Oscar Romeo, go around, make left traffic runway 27 left.
London Heathrow Tower, KLM 002 Echo Super, ready for departure at runway 27 left, remaining in the pattern.
Going around, make left traffic runway 27 left, Victor Tango Mike Oscar Romeo.
KLM 00 Echo Super, hold short.